Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Netflix gift card. The process is very simple and only takes a minute, so let's get started. To redeem a Netflix gift card, first open a web browser on your device. It's best to use a browser instead of the Netflix app for this process. Now go to netflix.com/redeem. Once the page loads, sign into the Netflix account where you want to apply the gift card. After logging in, you'll see an option to redeem your gift card. Click on it and a box will appear asking you to enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on the card. Then click the Redeem button. Once the code is accepted, the value of the gift card will be added to your Netflix account balance automatically. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Netflix gift card and can now enjoy streaming your favorite movies and shows. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.